Which is better, Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X? Features: Xbox Series X. Price for $99.99. Resolution true 4000. Processor 12 teraflops. Storage 1 TB custom SSD. Optical disc drive 4K UHD Blu-ray drive. Frame rate up to 120 FPS. Xbox Series S. Price to $99.99. Resolution 144p. Processor 4 teraflops. Storage 512 GB or 1 TB custom SSD. Optical disc drive not included. Frame rate up to 120 FPS. Xbox Series X Pros. More powerful. Supports 4000 gaming at 120 FPS. Larger storage capacity. Has a disk drive for physical games and movies. Cons: more expensive, larger physically. Maybe overkill for non-4K TVs. Xbox Series S. Pros. More affordable, smaller and sleeker. Plays next-gen games. Good for 1080p gaming or streaming. Cons: less powerful, limited to 1440p resolution, smaller storage capacity, no disk drive. Summary: for the best performance and future-proofing, especially with a 4000 TV, go for the Series X. For portability, budget-friendliness, and primarily digital gaming, the Series S is a good choice. Choosing between the Xbox Series X and Series S depends on your priorities and budget. Ultimately, the better choice depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider your budget, TV resolution, game library preferences, physical vs. digital, and desired graphics quality before making a decision.